See if we can get this nicely. There's no trams. There's the photographer and me coming out. Yeah, so you can probably see that. That's pretty cool. Right. And then we have more apartments. Subway, love Subway. So Ireland does have a subway shop. Not a subway system, not yet. Not for another 100 billion in 25 years or something. There's a big spart as well, so that'll be feeding a lot of people around here. You know, mix and mix. Ooh, Korean barbecue. But now I'm wanting to try Korean food lately. Maybe because I'm planning to go to Korea at some stage, hopefully during the end of the year. And more apartment blocks. And then we have a banking system here, and that's where the IFSC really kind of kicks in. Probably one of the days, if you're lucky, I might do this again and capture everyone on their rush to work in their suits and their ties when everyone's back. Okay, so this is 6 George's Dock, and this is May Street Lower. And that's a big wall. Oh yeah, I was going to do a photo shoot down here before. Never happened. But I should see about doing that one again actually. So that is BNP Paribas, whatever the hell that is. I don't know. Anyone know what that is? Right, and then we have 3GD. Again, no idea what that is. Right, so this is Exchange Place. So this would have been the old-timey days. There's the Hilton Garden Inn. Down that way for all the business executives staying over. I don't want to say it, but there must be some coke dealers and some women of the business executives staying over. And there's apartment blocks behind. I want to do them separately because they have a unique feature. The Irish Immigration Museum. The Irish Immigration Museum. Ooh. They look like some solid doors there. I think I was actually in that museum. It was for an international something or other day. And then we have like this big kind of open dock area. I'm not sure if they built ships here or not in the past. Could end up being a new site for buildings shortly enough. Looks big enough for construction site, alright. But I do recall that actually having water in it, so they must have just stopped it. Ah, there we go, there's the water flow. So this could have been coming from one of the canals as well. Yes. Shall we continue? Before I bore you. Oh, you're gone. Oh, you're back. Welcome back. This looks interesting actually. I don't know if it's a replica or it's rebuilt.